those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need bad energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me. When the truth don't work, you start telling lies. Thought you were down to ride, you weren't down to ride. Caught switching, you were picking sides. Don't blink, caught slipping like a slip aside.
Alright, so what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a little bit of a sponsored video today. We're going to be doing, again, another LED swap on Manny's 2017 Silverado. Last time, remember what happened with your bolts from last time?
Within a couple months, the that side it went out. It completely stopped working.
It was what brand was it? Do you remember?
I don't know. Shit brand now.
So we don't remember the brand, but it was some sort of brand that had a ballast that bolted off to the side of it. It was a little bit more of a pain.
It was a HID one.
Oh, it was a HID kit. So that one, I remember it was a bit more of a pain in the ass because we had to find a location, run a bunch of wires, find a location for the ballast, make... Oh, you still got the ballasting right there?
We got the whole like wiring harness shit set up. Oh, this I haven't had time to take it off because it's all under here, all well done and everything.
Yeah, so
took our sweet time on it.
That took actually a little bit of a longer time than we anticipated with those HID ones. But now we have a new kit from this company called LASFIT Pro. And the specs on this bad boy, we got a 8mm high power LED chips in these bulbs. Direct plug and play, so there's no guessing involved. 100 watt per set, 11,000 lumens per set. And obviously he wanted the white color, so we got a 6000K bulb color. So he's over there right now trying to figure this thing out and start taking this thing apart. Unfortunately for these, you have to take the air box out to access the back of the passenger side headlight. So
Bro, where's the clip tool?
It's right here on the hood. Yeah, so while he's doing that, I'm gonna attempt to open this up with one hand, and then we'll see what's in the box. Ha! Gay! I got it. So we got your old trusty little stickers. I don't know if Manny's gonna want to put that on his truck.
Yeah.
You got your product manual, and these are literally gonna be straight plug and play, not like the other ones that we had with the HID ones. So if my camera will focus here, so you can see it already comes with the cover that comes on the back of the headlight. So it's literally direct plug and play.
You want to do like a quick before?
Well, what I probably do is the way you have it parked right here, we'll swap one of them out and then just look at the color difference and see what kind of how different it looks.
They did it. I don't know how this goes. There we go.
See that? Damn, it's warm. All right, so here we have the stock HID ballast that goes in the headlight. Now we're gonna go ahead and replace this with the LASFIT bulb. This?
LASFIT.
It came from Los Angeles, so I'm assuming LASFIT.
LASFIT.
Take the cover off and see if you can fit that in there. See if it fits.
Got a minute.
All right, moment of truth.
Wasn't there something else connected to this thing?
It's on the cap.
The cap.
I think the
yeah, connect this first.
All right. So connect your bulb to that. That other harness is going to connect to the original ballast harness. Make sure not to get the bulb dirty.
It's alright. Pasa nada.
No pasa nada, oiga.
I don't remember the last kit, but I remember it was a pain in the ass. Too short, can't see.
Don't drop the bolts. Oh, you already took them off. ¿Le encuentras o no le encuentras?
I can't find the hole. I did it.
There you go. Okay, now the cap has a side that says it has got to go down. So make sure that side is facing down.
That's it.
That's it?
That's it.
Easy enough. So that in turn should be all. Just 2 little plugs, one to the cover on the back of the thing, on the back of the cover for the headlight, and then one straight to the bulb. So now we're gonna compare the colors and see how it looks right now inside. They don't look too bad. They're kind of similar, but I think that side actually looks a little bit brighter. What do you think?
Yeah.
It's
a lot brighter.
It's gonna be hard to tell right here because it's still kind of daylight, but yeah. It's probably not gonna pick it up on camera too good, but for sure you can already tell that it's a whole lot brighter. So we're gonna finish putting in this side and then we'll get out on the road and then check it out and see how it looks at night. All right, we got your secondary bulbs. You need your lighter.
Short person ladder.
Short person ladder. Might have a better view on this side since over there I don't have the air cleaner box. So let me see if I can get a better perspective. Go ahead and start putting it in. That's what she said. All right, so you've got your first connection for your bulb. Easy enough. And then you got your second connection that goes into the actual headlight itself. Remember last time on that HID kit, you had a hard time because we had to shave actually that down.
On the, it was actually on the kit.
Yeah. That's what
On the HID kit, we had to shave that part down.
Yeah, that last one wasn't a good fit. So you got your 2 connections. The only struggle on these is trying to get it actually to fit into where it's supposed to. But other than that, it's literally straight plug and play. There's always like just one certain point where it will only go in one way. So that's always a struggle, especially when you're 4'9" and you can't reach. 4'9.5", my bad.
It's in.
You got it? You sure?
Yes.
It's in. Okay. Now, again, you got a cap, and then the cap has one way it needs to go with the arrow facing down. Snap it in, turn it around, and there you go. Easy peasy. So just like that, and we are done. This literally took like maybe a 1/16 of the time it took with that HID kit.
It was a two-day thing.
It felt like 2 days. Oh yeah. What do you think?
I like it.
So far?
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah. The other one, your other ones had like a yellowish color to it. These are like a pure white. On camera, it's picking up like a blue, but outside it's showing pretty good color white.
I like it.
So now all we got to do now is put this shit back together. Taking out the air cleaner box. We didn't do that on camera because Manny had a mishap where I guess the service department had put their bolts in a little bit too far in, so we weren't sure if we were going to be able to get those out. So we did that a little bit off camera, but all you had to do on this style of truck, take the upper shroud off and then take the upper and lower cover of the air cleaner box off. And that's only to access the headlight for the passenger side. But just like that, simple plug and play. Removing the old harness from the old HID kit that he had. Ridiculous 8 feet of wiring just to get to the driver's side.
I think we had to extend it too because it wasn't long enough.
Oh yeah. It didn't. Oh yeah, that's right. Because I had to use extra loom that I had just to make it reach the driver's side. So I guess that company's fortunate enough that you didn't remember their name.
Lucky them. But they could just look up on the other videos of yours.
Oh yeah. Well, I'll probably just look it up and see what. I don't even know if we mentioned it in that video.
I think we did. I think you had like a
link to them.
Link to them.
All right. I'll link this old company that you don't want to use. Otherwise, you'll have to run a harness like this and run relays like this.
It didn't make a damn of a difference.
Right? Didn't it have ballast too?
It had
like
ballast,
separate ballast.
And supposedly that was supposed to be for. So it didn't, like, you know how HIDs, they take forever to
Oh
turn on?
yeah.
And that's for that.
It's like a capacitor.
Yeah.
Pretty much. Well, that didn't work. So this is what you get from the other companies. All that trash. And this is what you get from LASFIT. Straight plug and play.
I like it.
So now he's gonna send him off and get his videos back tonight, or get his videos tonight where he originally did the before videos, and we'll get his perspective and see what he thinks about them. At least from here, they do look a whole lot brighter than when we first compared it to the other side.
They really did.
So he's a really picky guy, so we'll see. We'll see the true the true verdict.
And I spent more than double than what I purchased on these.
You spent half. So these were half price of what you spent on the HIDs ones.
No, more. I think the other ones are almost $300.
Oh, okay. So the other ones cost $300. This kit actually cost, what was it? $100? I think it was a $100 kit. So I'll post up the price below for the price for this kit if you want to fit it to your 17 Silverado. So if you want to get a set of these LED bulbs for your vehicle, make sure you hit up LASFIT Pro. There'll be a link down below. And you can use coupon code ELGALLO10 for an additional 10% off. How was that? Okay. So I've been sitting here waiting for Manny to finish. It's taking him longer to put that air cleaner box in than it did to put the LEDs in.
Like that.
He got it though. So yeah, quick and easy install. It'll take you longer to put that air box in than it will the LEDs.
Quick install. Why would GM do this? Why GM?
For your inconvenience. So you would take it to the dealer instead of you doing your own work.
Yeah, right.
How do you think they make money? That's how they stay in business. Over engineering. Make it complicated so you can't work on it. That way you have no choice but to take it to the dealer.
Fuck that. I did it.